you've said somewhere that you went from being an order taker to, let me just quote this right, you went from an order taker to being paid to think. What does that mean?
Yeah, when I think of order taker, like I had mentioned to you earlier, it's like going to a restaurant and they just ask you, what do you want to eat? And you just tell them exactly how you want your order. And that's what, like I had mentioned, I felt like as a designer that the people who were asking me to design things, hiring me to design things, had a list of requirements for me. And it was mindless at that point. I didn't feel like I was getting paid for my creative problem solving. And so when I say getting paid to think, it's using all that creative energy and the creative problem solving, that the reason why I got into this business in the first place, that I felt like I couldn't use as an order taker, as the person that was just the hands on the project being told what to do. And I wanted to help designers see that there is something else out there that they can actually use their creative problem solving skills, and that they don't have to go through years of turmoil and depression really in their careers because of it.